Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abian Kartai Sastra from 9A. I am here to explain material about part of speech for my English remedial. But first, what is part of speech? So basically, part of speech is a word that refers to categories of words. Part of speech is divided into 8 parts, including Number 1 is noun atau kata benda. Number 2 is verb atau kata kerja. Number 3 is pronoun atau kata ganti. Number 4 is adjective atau kata sifat. Number 5 is adverb atau kata keterangan. Number 6 is preposition atau kata depan. Number 7 is conjunction atau kata sambung. And the last is 8 interjection atau kata seru. First, I want to explain about what is noun. So, basically, noun is a word that used to tell someone or people about place, person, or object. Here the example of noun. So, the example for noun is number 1, house, field, earth, pool, and the other for place. Car, pen, book, phone, clothes, and the other for object. Cat, teacher, friend, and the other for person. The example for words is he sleep in the bed. The noun is a bed. Number 2, we drive a car to Monash. So the noun is car. I using toy gun to play. The noun is toy gun. Next is verb. Verb is a word that describes an action, activities, occurrence, and state of being. The example of verb is run, jump, work, clean, write, cooking, drink, punch, smash, play, and the other. And the example of sentence is she ran because late for school. Here, the verb is run. Number 2, they playing football in the field. The verb is playing. Next is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that used in a place of a noun to avoid repetition and to make the sentence clearer and shorter. Here the example of a pronoun. The example word of pronoun is he, she, it, they, we, and the other. And the example for sentence is everything was fine until he was driving. Here the pronoun is he. Next, in the restaurant, she ate a chicken. Here the pronoun is she. Next is adjective. Adjective is a word to describe or modify pronoun or noun. Adjective also used to give information about quality, quantity, and identity about noun and pronoun. Here the example about adjective. Here the example of adjective. The example of word: beautiful, fast, kind, evil, slow, big, small, elastic, and the other. The example for sentence is number 1. She has a big house. Here the adjective is a big. Number 2. His stones are cold. The adjective is cold. Next is adverb. Adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another verb. Here the example of adverb. The example words of adverb: quickly, slowly, happily, loudly, carefully, badly, deadly, and the other. For the sentence is he packing his bag quickly. The adverb is quickly. Number 2, she speak too loudly. Here the adverb is loudly. Next is preposition. Preposition is a word that show relationship between noun or pronoun and the other word in the sentence. Preposition also often indicates relationship of time, place, direction, cause, manner, and possession. Here the example of preposition. Here the example of preposition. Example word is in, on, at, under, and the other. For the example sentence is she fell asleep in the bed. Here the preposition is in. Number 2. I ate pizza in the car yesterday. The preposition is in again. And number 3. I watched sunset at the attic. Here the preposition is at. Next is conjunction. Conjunction is a word that used to connect words. It helps to show relationship between the connected elements. Here the example of conjunction. Here the example of conjunction. Example word is and, but, or, because, yet, and the other. And for example sentence is number 1. He went to the park, but forgot to bring a phone. Here the conjunction is but. Number 2. She ordered a pizza and a burger. Here the conjunction is and. Number 3. I haven't eaten or drank. Here the conjunction is or. And the last is interjection. Interjection is a word that used to show a sudden emotion or reaction. It is often used to show joy, anger, and excitement. Here the example of interjection. The example of interjection. The example word is hey, wow, cool, what, that's amazing, and the other. Note, interjection must use exclamation mark. Here the example of sentence. Number 1. You won the English competition. Wow, you must be talented. Here the interjection is wow. Number 2. Wow, that's amazing. Here the interjection is wow again. And number 3. Hey, listen to me. Here the interjection is hey. So, that's all the explanation I can make about part of speech for my English remedial assignment. Sorry if there are any wrong words or error in the explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.